So I want to show you what I have here today. It's an umbrella. It's blue. It comes in different colors, of course. It is a outdoor umbrella, which is really nice with LED lights built into it. Really high quality construction, as you can see here. All the LED lights are built into the rib. Super simple. Comes with a charging cable. This is a solar, so this one charges by solar power, which is really nice. This is how I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Really simple to use and nice quality. So you just take this part here and you just snap it onto the top of the umbrella, and that's how basically you charge the battery. Really simple to use. And you put this into your table, you put it down to the bottom of the base, and that's really easy enough to understand. And then you just snap it right in. Again, really super easy and high quality. Love this product, really super high quality. It's going to show you how it looks at night in a minute, so stay tuned, watch to the end, you'll see that. Crank open, you can tilt it, you can pivot it, you can do all kinds of things. What's cool about this umbrella here is that you pull down down this arm in the back here, this collar, and it turns it left and right, which is really cool. This is what it looks like at nighttime. There's 3 different settings: low, medium, and high. It lasts all night long. It works fantastic. I definitely love this umbrella. It works great. Again, helps with the UV, helps with the heat, and you can see it throws up quite a bit of light, and I definitely highly recommend it.